And now we are live. I'm gonna mute the, no, I don't need to mute the microphone. See, it turned down the volume. Okay, so, yep, live. I'm gonna mute the, no, I don't need to mute the microphone. Okay, see, it turned down the volume. Okay, so, yep, live.
It doesn't echo when you talk. Do I need to subscribe to it? Yes. Oh, I have to subscribe.
Yeah, so make sure you subscribe.
Oh, put the right number.
Have you subscribed?
I just did it. Okay.
Cool.
Thanks for subscribing. Your weekly subscription is you booked your classroom. Okay.
Okay.
Why is my tab like red and yours is yellow? Does that mean anything? Does that mean that it's not working? Oh, there we are.
All right, cool. So now we can get to work. We can share screens right here in Google Hangouts.
There's an echo, Ryan.
Oh, mute the video. Mute the video in the Numa screen. So let me do this.
Mute the video in Numa screen.
What are you doing?
Mute it.
Yeah, mute the video on the Numa screen, and there won't be an echo anymore.
I'm online right now, you guys. Okay. Mute the video. Okay, mute the Numa screen, and then go Hangouts. There we go.
Right, so like this is the Numa screen, and I just click this mute button here. So now there shouldn't be. Do you see an echo anymore? Do you hear an echo anymore?
No, but now I can't. Let's see here. Hold on. No, I don't hear the echo anymore. But now I don't see you.
Oh, that's just because I'm sharing a screen. Once I stop sharing the screen, you'll see me.
Oh, okay.
I don't know how you share the screen and see me, but we'll figure that out.
Okay.
All right. So, what are you working on this week?
Okay. Okay, so I have this assignment I was working on earlier, but I can't seem to really figure it out. So I have to read a file called Unsorted Fruits.
Okay.
Should I talk and then it comes out later?
Make sure you have the video muted so that.
Hold on. Okay, mute. Wait, I muted the Google one, or I mean the Numa. You want me to mute Numa?
Yeah, mute the Numa video. Don't mute the Google video, because then you won't be able
I
to.
muted the Google. Hold on. Mute.
Yeah, just click the
Okay, let's see here.
click the volume button in the YouTube window.
The Google Hangouts.
No, don't do anything with the Google Hangouts. Go to the Numa window and there's a YouTube video right there, right? Just click mute at the bottom left-hand corner.
Go to Numa, you said?
Yes, there's a video in Numa, right?
Oh yeah, okay, so mute this.
Yeah, mute that.
Okay, got it. But now I can't hear you.
Why couldn't you hear me? You should unmute
Oh, there you
your
go.
Google.
Wait, there you are, there you are.
Yeah.
Okay, go. Okay. So I was saying I have this assignment called Unsorted Files. Hello?
Yeah.
So I have the assignment called Unsorted Files that I have to read. Then I have to import it into another file of, basically that's a text one. And then I have to import it into a new file called Sorted Fruits. And then I have to sort it alphabetically. And then from there, I have to output it back into a sorted text file. Did you get that?
Can you share with me the assignment?
Yeah. Let me see here. Wait. How can I share it now?
So you can share the screen with me. I think probably the best thing would just be to message me a link or email me, and then I'll pull it up.
Let's see here. Hold on one second. Sorted fruits. Okay. Oh man, let's see. I don't know how to do this because it's so different. Like on the Numa one, remember I was able to just double click and then just put my window in there. We're not doing that anymore.
No, it's the exact same. It works the exact same way. On the side, there should be different apps that you can click. Like go to the left-hand side and drag your cursor, like on the left-hand side of the Google Hangouts. You should see something that says chat, it says screen share, it says showcase, it says Q&A. Like,
oh yeah, screen share.
Yeah. That's also where the chat is at the top.
Okay, so screen share. Sorted fruits. Hold on, unsorted fruits. But you want the actual assignment, or you just want the sorted fruits thing?
What do you mean?
Like, because he sent us a text file, and then there's my assignment that's on a separate window.
Yeah, let me just see the assignment first.
Okay. Okay, sure. Sorry. I just have to close all the windows because sometimes it won't work. Okay. And share entire screen? No. All right. Sorry.
It's all good. Figuring out how to work this.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let's see here. Let me try a new window. Okay, so here we go. That's open.
Yeah, so I would actually just email me everything you need for the assignment, and then I'll just screen share with you if that'll make it easier.
I don't even know how to email this. Let's see. I think it's probably easier for me to do the window thing. Let's see here. Like we did last time. Let's see here. Programming. Yeah. Google Hangout and then share. Okay, where's my... Let's see here. Where'd you go? There we go. Okay, cool. Wait, it's not letting me. Hold on. Okay, screen share. Why won't it let me do it? Let's see. Screen share. There we go. Let's see. Here we go. Share. Do you see anything? It's right here. Yeah. It's at the right bottom.
Yeah, no, I see it. I need to expand it. Okay. So I'm looking at it now.
Okay. How come I can't? Can you read it?
Yeah. You scroll through it.
How come mine won't let me scroll through it?
No, you have to scroll through it in the actual window.
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. Okay. So, can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So scroll to the top so we can read it. Instructions, like scroll. Yeah. So you only see
See, it says instructions for submission.
Yeah. So it's just scroll a little bit up. Keep it where it was.
Right here.
Yeah. Just a little bit. No, a little bit down. Just like keep instructions for submission at the top.
Like that.
Yeah. Let's see. The file unsortedfruits.txt, which is available in the resource section of the unit, contains a list of 26 fruits, each one with a name that begins with a different letter of the alphabet. Write a program called sort fruits that reads in the fruits from the file and writes them out in alphabetical order. Okay. You must incorporate the use of a list, a for loop, and a while loop. And or a while loop. Okay. And then they want you to create pseudocode Your model must show how your program will read the input file, sort the entries, and generate the output file. In addition, you must submit both your program source code as well as the sorted file. Following sections within the textbook contain an example of Python code you can use to complete this assignment. So it can use the following fragments of code to open and read the data. You'll need to determine how to use a list structure to sort the items and how to write the data back out. Yeah. Okay.
And then I created my py file, my sort fruits, and then I wrote my whatchamacallit. I'm just having trouble just reading the program, the one that he sent, and trying to make sure that it prints out the list on a new, I guess, text file format. So okay. That's what I was trying to do this morning, because I don't remember doing that earlier in the section. It says that we have done it before, but I don't remember doing that, the read file. So I used the sorted fruits text file that he has there. It says in file equals open unsorted fruits. That's the one that I'm using right now. But it won't let me save it on my Mac as a text file. It saves it as an RTF.
The out file?
The one that I'm trying to read and open.
Oh, can you show me your file directory where the file is saved?
Yeah, let's see here. Unsorted fruit. Okay, let's see. You're talking about the one that he sent us? The unsorted fruits?
Or no, the unsorted fruits, yeah.
The unsorted fruits?
Okay, so open up this link here, Dreaming Code, reading and writing to a text file, and that will probably also, open that in a new tab.
Wait. You're sending me a file?
No, I'm saying in the assignment that he gave you, in the instructions, right? It says at the bottom here, this provides an example of reading and writing text files in Python. It says www.dreamingcode.net.
Oh, yeah.
Open that in a new tab. No, just right click. Right click. No, right click.
What is that?
That was the left click.
Oh no, let's see. Okay.
Right click.
On it, I did. That's what it comes up.
No, you're left clicking. Right click. Use the other mouse. Okay, so if you're not using a mouse, then click with two fingers.
Do you want me to just left click? Because that's how usually I open it.
No. I want you to use right click. So click with two fingers so that with two fingers.
Okay, I did.
Do it again. Okay, so okay, just tap with two fingers. Huh. I don't know how to explain this on a Mac.
Okay.
Hey guys. So hold on, let me look this up. But you just need to right click. Do not right click things.
Yeah, right click. Yeah, I'm right clicking, but then it goes to that same thing.
No, it shouldn't. It should open a drop down menu so that you can say open in a new tab.
But you want me to right click on the code, right? I mean on the email? I mean the window?
The link.
The link.
I want you to click on the link. Let's see, just right click on the Mac.
Yeah, it keeps going to that.
All right. So you can press the control key and then click.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. So open in a new tab. So go to that tab.
Mm-hmm.
And then scroll through and see what it says. Okay, so we have that, right? We have that information.
Okay.
Now let's go to your code.
Okay.
So share with me. Actually, yeah, share with me an idle screen, or open up the document,
Okay. Let's see.
the .py file that you're gonna write this submission in,
Okay.
and also send to me the text. Send me the text, the .text file that you're going to be the unsorted fruit file.
Okay. And I can just put that on the share thing, on the share?
Yeah, you would have to stop sharing this screen and then share another screen.
Okay. This screen. And then Google Hangouts. Okay, share. Oh, what happened here? Share. Share. So this is the unsorted. Okay. You see it?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So
that's the unsorted one. That's the one that he sent everyone that we have to sort. And then
could you email that to me?
Email.
So I'll have a copy and I can work with it.
Okay, expert print setup.
I'm gonna grab water real quick.
Okay, email. File save as. Go to email. Ryan. Attachment. Wait a minute. Oh wait, is this the one? Hold on, let me see if that's the one.
Yeah, just send me an email or an attachment. Send it as an attachment.
That's what I did, so hopefully you get it. I just want to make sure that that's the one. If not, then where's the unsorted one? Attachment. Unsorted. Wait a minute. Wait, that's not it. Which one? Make sure that I sent you the right one, because I don't know if I saved the see here. Did you get it yet?
Let me check. I have not.
Okay. Let's see here.
Is this? I don't think this is very complicated. Just send me an email that has that file as an attachment.
You should have gotten it. files.
Could just be slow. I don't know why our email relay is so slow. I think I might have just gotten it. Wait, what's going on? Okay. Sortfruits.py.
Oh, that's mine.
No,
Wait, check it.
this is not what I want. I want the text file.
The unsorted fruits text
Yeah.
document.
I want the .txt file.
Let's see if it goes. Okay. Let me see if it. I think I saved it in the wrong file. Let's see. Let me try it again. Share. Attach. Here we go. Let's try that one. And then send.
Wait, no, there's a very specific file that it should be, which is
It's the unsorted underscore fruit dot text. You should get it now, I think.
Yeah. How come you're sending me the entire history of our
Oh, is it? No, not that. It's supposed to be unsorted fruit dot text.
Yeah, I got that too, but along with it came the entire history of like
The whole program?
no, just of our email conversation.
Oh no, I don't know.
Yeah, just reply, don't forward me.
Wait.
But yeah, so now I have the unsorted fruits file. So let's look at your sortfruits.py, your program, your script, sortfruits.py, and see what we can do with it.
On the share, right?
Yeah, share with me.
Okay,
Share that with me.
Sortfruits.py.
Yeah.
Share. Okay, you got it? That's what I was working on this morning, and I couldn't figure it out. I didn't want to like do anything else because I was like, okay, I'll wait till he comes online.
For sure.
Okay. Does that look okay?
Let me check. I'm reading some Stack Overflow that could definitely help. But yeah, this is good. So there's apparently a really okay. So yeah, you can do fruits equals. So it shouldn't be input file dot readline. It should be in file, right? Because in file is what you set to equal the unsorted fruits, the open unsorted fruits file. So I think it needs to be dot read lines with an S. And then you want fruits to be all the lines you read in, right? So here's where you need to use a for loop, right? So you can say fruits equals bracket. No, in the line previous. So you have fruits where, yeah, you have fruits equals bracket.
Mm-hmm.
And then you would say line dot r strip
R?
Let's try this out. R strip, yeah. And then parentheses, open parentheses. Now put the parentheses next to R strip. You don't space for arguments when you're passing an argument. So line.R strip, and we're going to pass in the argument. Let's see here. Apostrophe or quote, single quote.
After the apostrophe. Here?
Hang on, I'm checking this exactly. But yeah, so single quote, backslash, and single quote.
So line dot R strip, open parentheses, single quote.
Forward slash, I guess.
Oh.
The other one, I think.
Which one?
Yeah, the slash in the other direction. That's right next to the bracket.
Ah.
N. Single quote. Close the parentheses. And then it should just be for line in open, right?
So delete the rest of it?
No. For line in that.
Like this?
No, backspace that, space.
Uh-huh.
For line.
Oh, for line.
Uh-huh.
For line, like that?
No, like 2 words. For line in, and then space in file.read lines, and then close the close the bracket there.
Oh, see,
Right.
I would have never figured that out. Let's see.
Okay, so no, this is a highly advanced Python technique, which is called list comprehension, right? So pretty much what we're doing is it's called being Pythonic. In Python, we like to use as little lines as possible if we can make it still make sense. So this does what you could do in like 3 or 4 lines in 1 line. So this where it says for line in infile.readline. So first we have infile.readlines, right? That gives us an object that reads every single line in the file, right? But it doesn't. But we want to store those in a list. So we say that for each line in this object of lines, right? We take that line, we strip the extra space. That's what the R strip does. So we take the line and then we call .R strip on it, which strips the new line, the empty space from the line, and then these brackets say to put that all into a list. These brackets at the end here say put that all into a list. So now what we should have is a list of all the fruits, at least an unsorted list of all the fruits. So why don't we do this? Say print fruits after that.
Okay.
It should be in parentheses, yeah. So you don't need to separate the parentheses from, you don't need to separate the arguments from the method. So you can, yeah, take out that space. And now, so comment out the output file line.
Comment out what?
Comment out the output file line.
This one?
So go to the go to the front of that and put a hashtag in front of it so you comment it out.
Okay.
Put a space after the, okay, cool. Now let's run this and save it, run it, and see what it does.
Oh, okay.
So share with me the window where you run it.
Okay. Here. Oh, sorry. Takes me a minute. Sorry.
Yeah, don't minimize the screen. Just say stop screen sharing, and then screen share the new screen.
Wait. You said don't minimize. Screen share. Share. This one. There. Do you see it?
Did you run it?
Yeah, you should be seeing the screen right here.
Yeah, I do. Okay, so we have a problem, which is that we need to take out all the empty spaces.
Yeah. Okay.
So we can do that. We can add a conditional to our list comprehension. So let me look up the syntax for that. So list comprehension with conditions.
Wait a minute. Let's see, where are you? Should I be seeing what you're working on right now?
No.
Oh, okay.
I'm not sharing. I'm not sharing. Okay, so all you have to do is. So do you see what problem I'm referring to though? Notice how it's like papaya, blank space, kiwi fruit, blank space, right?
Yeah.
So the reason why is because between each line there's just an empty line. So they skip lines between each each string. So we just have to go back to our .py file and make a condition such that we only take the words which aren't empty or the lines that aren't empty.
Okay. So we would go to where it says fruits equals line strip and then add it there.
Yeah. So what we would do, go back to the .py file.
Okay.
So just stop sharing the screen.
Okay.
Don't exit the screen. Don't exit the screen. Just stop sharing it.
So stop sharing. And then go back to my PY.
And then, share the .py.
Okay. There you go. You got it?
All right. So now after line.rstrip, do line.rstrip if let's see. Let's try if line is not, and then 2 quotes.
With a space or no space?
No space, but 2 single quotes. Space. Put a space there. All right. Let's. No. Take that back. Erase that. So put the if line is that after the end. So after the after the end, after line.rstrip everything, like after the parentheses.
Here?
Yeah.
If line is like that?
No, line is not quotes, right?
Sorry, not.
Yeah. So let's try that and see what happens. save it, and then share the.
Oh, it says invalid syntax.
Can you share that? All right, so hang on. Let's. What does it say about the invalid syntax? Can you share
Let's see.
that screen?
Hold on, let me run it again so you can see. You want to see the screen where it says the invalid part?
Yeah, just switch between screens when you are running it versus when you're writing it.
Okay. There?
I don't see your screen. You need to stop sharing. You need to stop sharing this screen.
Okay.
And like you can only share one screen at a time.
Okay, good. Okay, now shell. Here. That one?
No. I want to see the shell where it's printing out the error message.
Oh, it doesn't it's not printing it out there. It's a little window that comes up on mine that says invalid syntax. It doesn't print anything in the Python shell.
No, it's printing that. It's printing the error invalid syntax. So just share with me the Python shell.
Okay.
Like
it says.
No. Just switch between the shell and this program. Like when we write something, when we write something, share with me the program, and when we're running it, share with me the shell. Okay. So just share with me the shell right now.
Share. Where's the shell? Python shell. This is all that shows out.
Okay, so run the code. Run Python sort fruit.py or whatever its name.
Python.
No.
Oh wait, what?
No. So just run the code the same way you did before. Just do the exact same thing. Like, how did you get the error? Oh.
That's what I'm saying. It doesn't come out on the Python shell. It actually is a pop-up window on my end.
Okay.
And then you just press OK.
All right. Let's. All right. So can you just do Python and then name of your scripts in the shell?
In the shell. Okay.
Because you saved it, right?
I saved my PY file, but my Python shell I can't.
So now just run Python and then just write Python and then the name of your file and then enter.
In the shell? In the shell?
Yes.
So run Python?
No, just Python. Just write Python. You run Python code by writing Python and then writing the name of the file that you want to run.
Okay, so run Python sorted fruit. Sort fruits?
Yeah, whatever the name of the file is. Yeah, just make sure it's the exact name.
No, I think I'm doing it wrong. Let me run it.
As long as it's the exact name, that's the right way to do it. Like, is the name of your file sort fruits?
Yeah.
No, you have to write Python before it in order to run it. So it's saying there's an invalid syntax. Go back to the Python file.
Okay. The sort fruits, my PY file. Whoops.
Yeah, that's the only one we're talking about, right?
Yeah. Can you see it?
Oh yeah. Hold on. I'm looking at some reference, but I'll check it out real quick.
Okay.
No, I only see the Python shell right now.
Okay, let's see. Let me see. I have to. It doesn't let me share it. Like from window to window, you have to keep going back.
No, I know. That's what you need to do. Don't minimize the window. Just click stop sharing and then click start sharing the other window.
Okay.
It only knows about the one window that you tell it to do. It doesn't know that you're switching around windows. So let's do this. Instead of is not, change that to exclamation equal sign. So not equal.
Oops. Like that?
Yeah, and save that and see what happens.
Invalid syntax again.
Huh. If line, give me a second to look this up. Okay, so I'm just looking this up in on Stack Overflow and other websites. So the string, so I think it's before it was working. So apparently it's mad at the way that we're introducing conditionals into this. And so we'll figure that out. Let me share my screen with you so I can show you how I troubleshoot these problems.
Okay.
So now I'm looking up how to compare strings in Python. So pretty much we want to be able to check if the string is empty. So let's see what the best conditional for it to do that is. Okay, so apparently one thing we can try is just to do if line. So if there's a line, then keep it. If there's not a line, then toss it out. So how would we do that? We would change if line. So just take out the not equal to that, and then just try if line and see what happens.
If line, and then what about the?
Yeah, take out the well.
The quotations?
Yeah, take them out. Yeah, let's try that.
Invalid syntax again.
What the heck?
First equals if line.
It doesn't say anything about what's invalid about the syntax.
No.
Let's see.
If that's crazy. I wish I could see this bigger.
Okay, so we can try. So take out the if line and then put it at the end right before the brackets.
Okay, hold on a second. Okay, so I'm sorry, you said what?
Take out the if line.
Okay.
And then put if line right before the closing bracket.
Before the
The closing bracket, yeah.
Before?
Right before it.
So if line, like that?
Yeah. See what that does.
Oh, let me share this one with you. It came out, but it's the same thing.
What the heck? Let me see it.
Let's see here. Hold on one second. Stop sharing this one. And then share. You see it?
Yeah. All right, let me look up something more specific. Not reading empty lines, not reading blank lines.
Okay. Where is it? I'm gonna go back to my other one.
Okay, easiest way to ignore blank lines when reading a file.
Okay, let's see.
I want to ignore any lines that contain only white space.
Wait a minute.
Wow. Line dot R strip, line to the line, before line. Okay. So this is weird that you can't just do this in one line. I see answers to do it in
Where is my
2 lines.
PY? That's so weird.
This is like
With open
L for L in.
line strip.
All right. This could also work. So there are ways. So basically, you have to split. You have to split this job into 2 parts. If you share the Python file with me again, so we want to strip all the new line characters, but then we also want to get rid of the blank lines. So we actually have to do those 2 things separately. I'm trying to figure out. So here's something you can do. You put all what you had in a list comprehension, line for line. Okay, so yeah, let's do this. Share the file again.
Okay, share the PY file.
Yeah.
Okay, share.
This will probably be the least confusing way to do it.
Gee, guys, why are you not letting me? Okay, where is my PY file? Specify function. Do you see it?
So, yeah. Go to the top and write. I can't get rid of this. I can't get rid of this like top bar, but at the end of infile equals open that thing. At the end of the open, write dot. No. At the end. When I mean at the open, I mean at the end of the whole line.
Oh, this one.
Yeah. So first of all, erase the space between open and the beginning parentheses. There should never be a space there in that situation. So never write a space there. All right. So at the end, write dot split lines.
2 words.
1 word. It's a method. So then open and close parentheses. So if you look at my shared screen, it should look like this line that I'm highlighting.
Hold on. I have to make the screen bigger because I can't see it. Okay. All lines equals open. Oh, okay.
Yeah, so we're just splitting the lines just to start off, so that we don't have to do that in our fruits line. So now in fruits should just be you can say fruit for fruits. So take out this R strip part.
The R strip part?
Yeah, so now we don't need to strip it because we already did the stripping in the first part. Yeah, so take out the new line part. No. Keep the line. Take out the parentheses part. That is an argument to
start a new line.
Yeah, no, that's an argument for split, but we are no longer splitting, so take that out. So line for line in infile.read lines. If line, let's see if that is. So actually, what we can do is take out the dot read lines. Yeah, along with the parentheses. The parentheses no longer belong either. And then at the top, before split lines, put dot read.
Wait, hold on. Before split lines?
Yeah.
Put dot read, you said.
Dot read parentheses. No, before split lines.
Oh.
So dot read parentheses, dot split lines. Parentheses.
Here? Or I'm sorry, where I'm at right now. So dot read split lines parentheses or parentheses again?
No. Dot read parentheses, dot split lines. And there's no reason for a space between these parentheses and read, right? Read is a method, so it needs to have parentheses after it. The parentheses designate where the argument would go, but we're not passing in an argument here, right? Okay. So then the parentheses are just empty.
Okay, so dot read parentheses, dot split lines parentheses, or no parentheses? Okay.
Yeah, so parentheses at the split lines too. I don't know why it has like this. All right, I'm just gonna stop sharing the screen so I can see what you're doing. Stop. Oh my God, what the heck?
How was I supposed to figure this one out? Like I was reading and I was like, okay, like.
I just use Stack Overflow. Just look up everything on Stack Overflow. What the heck? I don't know why this bar is not like going away. So annoying. Go, no, what? All right, so anyway, let's try this now.
Okay, well, save. Oh, now it did it. Let's see.
All right.
I
Cool,
want to,
okay.
so you can see it. Let's see. Screen share. Come on. Sorry. Takes a minute. Screen share. Can you Python shell? Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. Yeah, there's no spaces in between anymore. No quotation marks.
Yeah, no. So we got rid of those.
Oh, man. Now I have to sort it in alphabetical order and then output it back into a sorted fruit text file.
All right, so let's go back to the scripts.
Okay. Script. Okay. Share. Oh shit. Sorry. Sorry.
It's all right. So now let's after fruits, let's say sorted fruits.
Wait, hold on 1 second because my file didn't. Hold on. Stop sharing. Hold on. Tell me if you see the.
I did see it. I was seeing it before.
But it's taking me back to the Python shell. Hold on a second.
I can see it. I can see.
You can see my other one where my Python file. Oh, here we go.
Yeah, I see.
Okay, there we go. Okay, perfect.
All right. So now after fruits,
Mm-hmm.
after the fruits line, after the fruits line. So make a new line after that line.
Mm-hmm.
Now write sorted fruits or something. Just make another variable for the sorted fruits list.
So you want me to say sorted fruits like this?
Yeah. And then say that equals.
Mm-hmm.
Make a space after the equal sign.
Mm-hmm.
Before the equal signs and after the equal sign. Right. You want to have consistent style, right? So you had spaces between the equal sign here. You should also have spaces between the equal sign and in file and out file or output file.
You said in file?
Yeah, so, and I would change output file to out file because output file is just, there's no reason to make it that long. And then also make sure there's spaces in between the parentheses or in between the equal sign or sandwiching the equal sign, yeah.
Like that?
Yeah. So now let's say sorted fruits equals sort.
Mm-hmm.
Apparently sort isn't a built-in function. Let's try sorted. And then just in parentheses put fruits. Don't put spaces.
Yeah.
And then do print sorted fruits instead of print fruits. No, it needs to be one. It needs to look the exact same as the variable that you just defined.
Oh.
No, there's no reason to erase the whole thing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is not what I'm saying. Go back to what it was looking like and just put the underscore, right? Because you have this variable called sorted underscore fruits. Right, so we want to access that variable and print it and take out the space. Take out the space. So, all right, let's try this.
Okay. Run. Oh, perfect. Do you see it or no?
No, I don't see it.
I have to, yeah.
You need to share that with them.
Okay. Sorry, let's see. Hold on 1 second. Okay. Python shell. Share. Now, can you see it?
Yeah, so it looks like that function indeed sorted the list. So now you just have to worry about writing it
in a text.
Writing it to the file. All right, so that's
go ahead.
That's what the output line is going to do. So let's take that output line and put it after we make the sorted fruits line.
Wait, I have to stop sharing this one. Hold on, I have to go back to my other window.
Yeah, I know. It's fine. Just keep doing that. Keep switching between the windows.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm sorry. Now we have to output it.
Yeah. Let me look that up. There should be something in your instructions that will tell you how to do that. So I'll read that for a second and see if you can figure it out.
Okay, program. It says, so our file equals open sorted fruits.txt w to write, and then out file dot write fruit, and then print fruit.
Okay, I don't know. Try it. Just try it and see what happens.
Out file equals open. Uno momento. Let's see. China. But this is a PY file, right? So that wouldn't have to be PY?
No, you don't have to make it a PY file. This is cool. There's some cool answers here. So I guess the best way to do it is let's see here. You want to use a loop. So first, let's make sure we've opened the file. All right, so we opened the file. That's good. Now let's say for fruits in sorted fruits.
On the next line, right? For fruit?
Yeah, so give another space. No, like on another line.
Yeah.
On another line, press enter again, but start at the beginning of the line.
Up there?
Go back up one more line, just one line space. All right, so now for fruits in sorted fruits. Sorted fruits is one word.
Oh. An underscore, right?
Yeah, it just needs to look exactly the same as what you just defined. So it's sorted fruits. So that's there. Colon. Okay, so apparently you can do this. You can say print on the next line. On the next line, anytime you do a for loop, it should be nested. So on the next line,
print.
And then two greater than signs.
Two what?
Two greater than signs. Cool. And then you can write out file and then comma fruit.
I haven't seen that one before, I think. You want me to try it?
Let's see here. I'm just reading different options for how to do it. Yeah, so there's different there's different ways to do it, and I'm reading about which ways are more advantageous, or the pros and cons of either one.
Mm-hmm.
But I would put a space after the second greater than sign, and also a space after the comma. Like it's pretty much written just like a text document, right? You want spaces. You want a space between your punctuation, basically. So yeah, let's try this.
It says, here, you want me to just share it with you so you can see what it says? Okay.
Yep. If you're washing the dishes, please wash all of them, not just what you're eating with.
Okay. That's what came back. Trace back most recent calls.
All right. So it doesn't like this syntax. It's not. Maybe it's not available in Python.
Okay.
3.5. So yeah, don't worry. We just have to. There are so many ways to skin a cat in programming. We just have to try a different one.
Okay. Let me go back to my. I'm gonna go back to the py file. Damn, this thing takes forever. Come on. Sorry. There we go.
So one thing I want to try is take out the spaces in that are around the greater than sign.
Okay, take out what? I'm sorry, after the greater than sign you said?
Yeah, and before. Just take out those spaces.
Oh, the spaces.
Yeah, because it might only work without the spaces. I doubt it, but let's try it. Because I've never used this. I've never used this syntax before either. So let's see what happens.
I think no, it didn't. It says error again. Trace back. Most recent call last.
Can you show
the
show the screen?
Let's see here. You see it?
Yeah, unsupported operand type. Yeah, so I guess it doesn't like that. That's okay. This was just one way they said we could try. So another thing we can do is say outfile.write.
Hold on one second, because I have to get back to my file where you can see it. Can you see my py file?
Yeah, so instead of saying print outfile fruits, erase that line.
Okay, erase that line.
Do outfile.write.
Write?
Yes, and then parentheses. Just open parentheses, and then single quote. I think %s /n.
Sorry,
percent.
Oh, percent.
S.
S?
Yeah, /.
Wait, where's my / again? Oh, there we go. Huh?
Yeah,
N?
right there. N, and then close parentheses, comma. Oh, sorry. Close quote, not parentheses. comma, and then fruits, and then make sure you put a space between the comma and not fruits but fruits. Right, because we named it for fruits in sorted fruit, so we're referring each fruit in sorted fruit. So it should be fruits, not fruits.
Fruits.
No, take out the S.
Take out the S. Okay.
Because understand why. We said for fruits in sorted fruits. So each is what we're referencing. So we're doing something for each fruit, right? We named each object in sorted fruits. We named it fruit. So now when we step into our for loop, we're going to refer to each fruit. Right? So fruits doesn't mean anything to the program because you haven't defined anything that is named fruits. Actually, you have. You defined this original line fruits, right? But fruit is something different from fruits, right? So close the parentheses and dang it. Let's
okay.
try that. Oh, that's not actually how it works. So it's not going to work.
Okay.
So instead of comma item, you have to write percent. Or,
instead of a comma?
So, yeah. So space, percent, space.
Like that?
Yeah. Try that.
Okay. And let's see. What did I have? It reprinted it in alphabetical order. Let's see here.
Yeah, so now you have to check if it made a file that contains all those fruits.
Here, let me just see so you can see it. Oh man. So this is what came out.
Yeah, so now you have to check in that folder, is there a file that's called sortedfruits.txt?
So you want me to try to open it?
Yeah, so this program should have created a file called sortedfruits.txt.
Let's see.
And it would be in that same directory as your Python file sortedfruits.py.
Let me see here. Let's see. Sortedfruits.tx. Let me see. Oh yeah, it did. Well, I mean, but there's nothing in there.
There's nothing in it?
No.
Wait, open the file and show me.
Okay. Unless it's, let's see here. Sorry. It takes forever to do this. Let's see here. Sorted. Hold on. Sorted fruit. No. Oh. Here it goes. There. That one?
Yeah.
Is there supposed to be something in there?
Yes. So for whatever reason, it created the file, but it did not write it. Let's see. For item in the list. So we opened it. We try running it again and see what happens.
In my py file, running it.
Yeah, run the Python file again.
The Python file. Okay. File. Save. Run. Module. No, it prints everything out of my Python shell. Again. but I don't see anything in the sorted fruits.txt.
That is so strange. Yeah, we'll have to figure out how come it's not writing to the file.
Do you want me to close it or no?
Yeah, just leave it open. It's fine. Let me share my screen with you because I'm going to be doing some research. Let's see. Yeah, can you reopen your Python file? Like, share with me your Python file.
Mm-hmm. Can you see it?
Yeah. Well, okay. This is talking about a potential other way that maybe works better with Python 3. I don't know. We'll see how this goes. So outfit. So where we wrote out file dot write.
Hold on 1 second.
Instead of %s, just write two curly braces.
To what?
Curly braces.
Curly?
No, so the curly braces. So they're on top of the brackets. Erase the %sign.
Mm-hmm.
And then on top of the brackets, there's like a curly bracket. So open, close, curly bracket.
Like that? Like that?
Yeah. And then let's see. Yeah, so instead of percent fruits at the end,
Mm-hmm.
we're going to write dot format fruit. So don't take out the fruit, just take out the %. Erase that, right. Erase the space. Now write dot format, parentheses, open parentheses, and then close the parentheses around the fruit. Right. And let's try that.
Okay. It did it in my Python shell. Is it supposed to be doing it in my sorted fruits text?
Yeah, so it's doing it in your Python shell because you have this line that says print sorted fruits. So that makes sure the fruits are sorted.
Mm-hmm.
Now we need to figure out how to write these strings to a file.
Okay.
So did your sorted fruits.txt file change?
No, there's nothing there.
What?
Is there any? Can we create a new file, like, and start, like, so that one, or is this supposed to actually like print there?
It's supposed to print in that file. I'll look up this problem. Right.
I wonder if it stored it under something else.
Python write to file returns an empty file. So you have to write f.close, I guess, at the end. So here's here's how you want to do it. And this is what I suspected. So you see this out file line?
Let me see here. Hold on. Where are you? Let's see. Out file line.
The out file line. Out file equals open there.
Wait, are you pointing to it?
Well, you wouldn't see me pointing to it, but go to. I'm sorry. I'm talking about your code.
Oh, my file. Okay.
Yeah. So go to out file, right? Go to that line.
Okay.
No, the out file equals open. The first line, the first line that mentions out file. No,
This
not
one?
that one. No, the one that is actually being used in the code.
Oh, this one. I'm sorry.
Yeah. So it says out file equals open, blah blah blah. So instead, write with open. So move the out file to the end. Move the out file, cut it, and move it to the end of that line.
Wait. Out file, open, and then what do you want me to?
Okay.
So
just do this one step at a time. Take the out file piece, just that word out file, and cut it and move it to the end of the line.
Oh, okay.
And write space as, and then paste the out file. Paste the out file line. As space. All right, so now erase that equal sign and write with.
Okay.
Now put a colon at the end of out file.
Mm-hmm.
And then nest that for fruit in sorted fruits within that with line. So bring it up one.
Okay.
Bring it up one. And now indent it, tab it. And then do tabs on the next line too. Four spaces. Right.
That?
Yeah, try that. That should work.
Okay. It's in my Python shell.
So did the program change?
You mean in my sorted fruits?
Did the text file change?
In my Python shell? It's in alphabetical order, but it's in my Python shell. There's nothing in my sorted fruits.txt.
Did you run the code again?
Yeah.
There's nothing in sorted fruits.txt.
Nada.
This doesn't make any sense.
Let's see here.
Wait, can you like refresh and open it again?
Okay.
Close it and open it again.
Okay. So open. Okay. Here. Sorted fruit. Oh, there we go. Let me see. Hold on. So you can see. Okay, sorted fruits. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, but how was I gonna figure that out? Just go to next time. Just go straight to what is a stack flow and just follow the prompts there. I mean the directions there.
Literally, just look up your question in Google. Like, I can show you.
Because I mean.
Look at my screen. You see everything I looked up. How to read a file line by line into a list. What else did I look up? How to do a conditional and a list comprehension, which was something we went over today. How to check if the string is empty. Like all these things, I don't necessarily need to know them off the top of my head, right? So easiest way to ignore blank lines, delete a new line, which I knew was something we were going to have to do, write a list into a file, right? These were all the things that we had to do in order to get this to work. And I was returning an empty file, so I needed to figure out how to get around that. So they're saying I needed to use f.close or use a with statement. So if you're maximizing the screen I'm sharing with you, yeah, you see like all the questions that I asked Google, and then Stack Overflow just had an answer for all of them. So I just saw all these different methods of how to do it, and you could compare like which one you think would be better for your use.
Okay. That's crazy. I'm like, oh my God, I can't believe you were able to do that.
No, you get used to it. Like, it's really just about being able to find and synthesize information. That's all computing is.
Okay. So I'm gonna start really using the Stack Overflow and Googling all this stuff, because I'm like, I've been up since like 5 o'clock in the morning, and I was like, and then I kept trying running different things and it wasn't working. So then I was like, forget it. I'm just gonna wait until he helps me. And I would have never figured this out at all, especially to where you go into first equals line for line in file if line with the brackets. I would have never figured that.
That's like not necessary, but it's just very Pythonic. So it's just a very, like, if you understand how to do that, then people are like, oh, you know how to use Python. It's called list comprehension. You can basically make a list in one line, as opposed to saying for line in lines, add line to lines. Like instead of doing it in 2 or 3 lines, you just do it all in one line.
Okay. Oh man, thank you so much, man.
Oh, no problem.
Let me see. It's starting to echo again. I don't know why.
Huh. I don't know why that would.
That's weird. Okay, now it stopped, I think. Okay, so then I just have to send in my pseudocode, and I can do that. Oh, okay, Brian, thank you so much.
Thank you.
And then now, next time, just so that way I know, when I log back on, let's say like next Sunday or whatever, when I log back on at 10 a.m., I have to go through Google Hangouts again and do everything all over again? Or do we just go to Numa and you're able to just see the class there? Or do you have to always open both?
Well, yeah, we would open both. Numa basically broadcasts the stream to YouTube. And Google Hangouts, I just embed the Google Hangouts chat in the Numa window, which allows you to see everything we're doing on Google Chat in Numa.
Okay. So then next time, I guess I'll just start early and just getting all my windows open, so then that way I'm ready by 10. This was cool. It works.
Yeah.
It took a minute to get it up and running or whatever, because I'm not used to this, but it definitely helps. So then that way you don't have to drive so far, and I don't have to drive so far, and then I'm able to see everything that you're seeing. Yeah. That's cool. I like it. Okay, perfect.
Yeah, I also don't have a laptop, so right now, so this is cool. I can just work from my desktop and show you everything that I do to figure out coding problems.
Yeah. No, I like it a lot, and I'm gonna work on that Stack Overflow, and I'm gonna work on more stuff. But I would have never figured this out on my own, especially that like a lot of these lines, like actually 2 of the lines I would have never figured out. So I'm happy.
Yeah, it's definitely good to have someone teach you these fundamentals, and
Well,
then all like things in between you can look up yourself.
Yeah, and then because I have my final, because this term is pretty much over, and then I go to my next, computer programming class or whatever. But on I think my final is August 12th. Yeah, it's 4 days, so basically from August 10th through the 14th. So I'm gonna probably take it on the 12th through the 13th, that Saturday, and then I'll just hopefully run some stuff by you before then.
All right, wait, what date did you say it was?
I'm gonna take it on that Saturday. So I think my final start, sorry, Thursday, August 11th is the first day that final start. So
Okay.
11th, so that 13th, Saturday, August 13th, I can take it that day.
Okay.
Or the 14th. I don't like taking it on the last day because if something happens with my computer or something goes wrong, I don't like doing that. So I'll probably take it either on the 12th or the 13th. So if I have any computer problems, then so I just have to. I don't even know what the final is going to be like, but um, I'm hoping that I'll be able to. I don't know if he's gonna have any programming assignments. I'm assuming so. So we'll see.
Oh yeah, we probably will test you on coding.
Yeah. So I'll be studying till then, and then I think I have one more assignment that's gonna be due before then, besides this one, and then I'll start working on my final. He might go over everything next week because in the 8th week of the term they usually review what's probably going to be on the final, and then that way you can start working on it. So if I get that information, then I'll let you know.
Okay.
You can help me.
Yeah.
Okay, and then once I log out, I just log out like normal, and it'll turn off.
Yeah, I'm just gonna. So I can just hang up the call, and then that'll probably turn everything off, and then you can log out of Nemo.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much, Brian.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, have a great day.
You too. See ya.
Okay, bye.